full cell technology or the half-cut cell with a split module. Here's a problem with the standard designs. The shading and hotspots are a great problem. With the slightest shading, the output is greatly affected and even hotspots can occur. This is due to string connection within the solar panel. Every cell is connected to the next one, string-like old-fashioned Christmas tree lights. If one goes out, they all fail. With a little bit of shading on a standard module, the whole string of 20 cells is affected, which is 30% of the panel. With a little more shading, 60% or even up to 100% is affected by the shading, which means there's zero output. Now compare this to the new half-cell split module technology. Half-cell and split module means when the same shading occurs, where we lost 30% of the production of the panel, here it's only 15% or even less. The other shading, where we lost 60% on a standard panel, here we only lose 30% or maybe even less. Now, where we lost the total production, 100% of it, here on a half-cell split module design, we are only losing 50%. The next advantage is the heat and hotspot reduction. With half-cell technology, the heat production is much lesser, and shaded cells create no hotspots since the strings are much shorter and lesser voltage will be accumulated. The result, the hotspot-free, more energy production from cooler panels and greater output under real-life shading conditions.